facing south. So let's go check out the towers first, okay? Well, you could come up this path right here. That'll get you up to the tower, or closer to the tower. But there's only one problem with this Perkins Tower. It's closed, so you can't go into the top. I've been in it before, but you know, with all the pandemic and the COVID-19 thing, they closed it because they didn't want any close quarter contact. So they closed it, and let's see, you'll see it right here, right now. There it is. There's the doors to get inside, but they keyed it up. So we're gonna have to come here and revisit some other time, and we'll go and check it out. We'll go up in there one day when you know, all this gets fixed with this pandemic. It should be over by now. But now we're gonna go over there where the lookout is. Let's go check that out. So you can see it's really busy up here today. I mean, everybody, families up here right now, checking out the scenery and overviews over here. Let's go down to the bottom up here and see what's going on, and then we'll take it up. Really, really busy. Look at this, lots of families here today. Oh, look at that view over there. I think that's the Hudson River right there. Let's check that out. Hey, how cool is this? Look at this, a nice little wooden bench right here. Hang out. Oh, look at that. We got a better view over here. Much better view. Right over there. Look at that. Okay, let's walk over here. Look at this, man. There's a little spot right here all by ourselves here, because we got everybody hanging out on the other edge there, which we're going to visit in a few minutes. And everybody up there hanging out, families, friends, couples and stuff like that. So we got a nice little edge right here. You can see that goes all the way down. It just keeps going down all the way out the side. I've never been down there, so I couldn't even tell you what's going on down there. All right, let's climb up this rock right here. All right, here we go. We got another view going on here. Oh look, I can see a road right down there. Wow, look at that landscape, huh? You can see the whole forest up here. Oh yeah, that's a drop right there. Wow. Here's where I'm standing. That's the way down. Oh man, I'm peeking over the top here. Yeah, that's pretty low. Do not slip whatever you do. So this is the whole thing. This is the whole lookout right here. You got plenty of rocks to be on. Everybody spread out, doing good things. And you can see the entire landscape all the way across. Okay guys, so we're all done here and we are out of here. So you got to see the tower. You didn't get to go inside, but you did get to see it, and you did get to go to the overlook. So peace out. Nice to everybody. Talk to you later.